This is the best method on how to stabilize your footage in Davinci Resolve. Once you have your clip in the timeline, we select it and head to the Fusion tab. We then right-click and head to Add Tool, Tracking, Planar Tracker. Now we head toward the middle of the timeline and we click on the button Set to establish our starting and ending point for tracking. Next, we draw a polygon around our main subject and we start tracking backward. Once it's finished, we start tracking from the middle forward. Once it's done, we set the operation mode to steady. Next, we head back to the Edit page and head toward the Transform tab and make the adjustment necessary to make the clip fit. If this tutorial was helpful to you, give it a like so it can assist others to find this video. If you're curious on how to make your screen pump, click on this video.